Okay. Redox reactions. Okay. Redox reactions. It is a new unit. Impana.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Students, do you have any idea about redox reactions? Say,
Yes,
what is
sir.
redox reaction?
Sir, both oxidation and reduction takes place in the same reaction. Those reactions are called redox reactions.
Okay, very good. What is the red indicates redox? Reduction. Very good. So
Reduction.
Red indicates reduction. OX indicates
Oxidation.
Oxidation.
Okay. Reduction or oxidation both are takes place in a chemical reaction. Simultaneously, compulsory will takes place. Okay, na? In a chemical reaction, if reduction and oxidation takes place simultaneously are called redox reactions. Students, are you clear? What is redox reaction? The chemical reactions in which reduction and oxidation takes place simultaneously are called redox reactions. So, what is the importance of these redox reactions? That is my question. See, students, these redox reactions have much important in our biological system as well as in our daily life. Say, for example, respiration. What is respiration? Respiration. Okay, intake of oxygen and exhaling of carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Respiration. Taking of
Exothermic
oxygen,
reaction.
releasing of, that is removing of carbon dioxide is called respiration. Generally, respiration means we have to take oxygen. Na? So, taking of oxygen and exhaling of CO2 is a respiration. Respiration is a best example for redox reaction. Next, do you know metabolism reactions? Metabolism means what are the chemical reactions it takes place in our body. Say, for example, we are taking food. Na? Food is converted into what?
Glucose.
Food is converted into glucose. That glucose is converted into glycogen. So that
Yes.
glycogen is stored in pancreas. You don't know?
Yes, sir. We
No,
know,
sir.
sir.
We know, sir.
In lower classes, you have now, however, you are each JE students, right? Up to 10th level, you have general science, na? So that's why glucose is stored in the human body as glycogen. Where? Liver,
In
Yes.
pancreas.
liver and pancreas related only, no? Related means attached parts. Clear? So that is also one of the best example for redox reactions. Okay, na? So what we are taking that glucose react with oxygen, we will get carbon dioxide and some other energy. That energy is stored as a glycogen. Next, in our daily life, we know one phenomena That is the general phenomena which is it takes place on iron articles. Rusting. The rusting.
Yes, sir.
Rusting is also one of the redox reaction. Rusting is also one of the redox reaction. So to avoid rusting, what we have to do? We have to coat it
Galvanize.
particles with color or coated with other
Alloys.
which are less reactive. Which are less reactive. That is nothing but galvanization, electroplating. These are the some of the general methods. Okay. So that is also application of redox reaction. And one more important application, electrochemical phenomena. Electrochemical phenomena is nothing but the science which is related to electricity as well as with respect to chemical reactions is called electrochemical phenomena. Say for example, working of torchlight. So how torchlight works? By using batteries. What happens inside the batteries? So inside the batteries, we have certain amount of chemicals. So whenever that chemicals undergoes chemical reaction, that is nothing but redox reaction. We will get that chemical energy in the form of electrical energy. Like that, we will get heat light. Clear, students? That is also one of the important phenomena. Next, just now you told electroplating, galvanization. These are also nothing but redox reactions. Extraction of metals. Extraction of metals. So we have so many.
Sir, chloralkali process also redox reaction, sir.
Which one?
Chloralkali process.
Chloralkali process means it is also redox reaction. Okay, na? Extraction of metals, extraction of chemicals, preparation of chemicals. Majority of the reactions are redox reactions, except a few. Okay, na? Before going to inside redox reactions, do you know what are the definitions of old definitions of reduction and oxidation? So please write down side heading. Old definitions of oxidation and reduction. Oxidation. Loss of electron, addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. Now you please observe one example. C plus O to CO. Here, what is the difference between carbon and carbon dioxide? Students, here we have only carbon. Here, carbon including oxygen. That means it is gaining oxygen, or we are adding oxygen or removing oxygen. We are adding oxygen. We have only carbon. Here we have carbon dioxide. So that's why it is a simple example for oxidation process. Similarly, if you take this reaction, here how many hydrogens we have? 6. 3 plus 2 plus 1. 6 hydrogens we have. Here how many hydrogens we have? Total 6. That is secondary. In this product we have 6 hydrogens. In this main product we have how many hydrogens?
4.
4 hydrogens. What is the difference between these two? So here we have 6 hydrogens. Here we have 4 hydrogens. That means we removed how many hydrogens?
2
Hydrogens. That is secondary. Right. Here, what process takes place? Removal of hydrogen or addition of oxygen? Addition of oxygen is not taking place. Why? Because here
Removal of
we have here also one oxygen. There is no change in oxygen numbers. Here hydrogens are changed. 6 hydrogens we have. Here 4 hydrogens we have. So that means we are removed 2 hydrogens. That's why it is a oxidation process. Removal of hydrogen like this or addition of oxygen like this is called oxidation. Is right? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Is right. It's completed one. Next, reduction. Write down. Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Okay, na? Take this example. ZnO gives Zn plus O2. So here, if you cancel these two numbers, 2 cancel. How many oxygens we will get? 1 oxygen. Here also we have 1 oxygen. Na? So here, what is the difference between ZnO and Zn? Here we have oxygen including Zn. Here we have only zinc. That means what we did? We removed oxygen. So removal of oxygen is considered as reduction. Take this example. Here what happens now? How many hydrogens we have? 4 hydrogens we have. Here we have how many hydrogens? 6 hydrogens. Now what is the difference between this one and this one? We are added hydrogens. Even single hydrogen are added or 1 hydrogen is added. There is no change in its definition. It is considered as redox reaction. So it is addition of hydrogen, it is removal of oxygen. Both are considered as reduction only. Okay. Next. Completed, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Next. Slide heading. Modern definitions of oxidation and reduction. Modern definitions of oxidation and reduction. Try to understand. Important from here onwards. First write down no oxidation. Oxidation. Loss of electrons. Loss of electrons. or increasing in oxidation number. OL means oxidation number. Loss of electrons are increasing in oxidation number is called oxidation. Students, please listen carefully. You have to answer. Zn gives Zn plus 2 or Zn gives Zn 2 plus. It is a atom. It is a ion. Why? Because it has a charge. It has no charge. Okay, now here how many protons? 30. Why? Because zinc atomic number is 30. Na? It has 30 protons, 30 electrons. Right? So you don't consider protons. Why? Because electrons only participate in reaction. Na? Consider electrons. Here how many electrons we have now?
28.
28.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 28 ಇದೆ. You have 100 rupees. Here 98 rupees. How many rupees you lost? 2. Lost means where we have tried. That is important. Generally, students will do mistake in this. It is losing. You are telling 2 electrons. Where we have tried that 2 electrons. Please remember. Always losing means we have tried products side. So here in this reaction, which is product ma? Zn na Zn plus 2 na?
Zn plus 2.
Okay. 2 electrons. Okay. So ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು how many electrons you told here? 30. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ? Zn plus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 28. You told 28. ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿ 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ 30 electrons ಇದೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ 30. ಆ ತರ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Suppose by mistake if you write instead of these 2 electrons here ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 32 electrons ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 28 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Sheet is not balanced. Ledger sheet is not balanced. So that's why loss means always where we have right, products side we have right. Okay na? So this is this example is suitable for oxidation? Loss of electrons only na? Loss of electrons means oxidation. Yes, it is a oxidation. You know the one more example I will say. You have to try to say the answer. Try yourself. Very logical question. Almost if you say the answer for this question, whatever the charges is given, you can write easily electrons. Say, is it oxidation or reduction about to say?
Sir, oxidation.
Okay.
Oxidation.
Very good, super. Very simple man. Fe2 plus, first you don't think about Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus. Think about Fe. Fe has a 26 electrons, sir.
Yes, sir.
Atomic number 26. Fe has a 26 electrons. I am removing 2 electrons.
24.
Means how many electrons? 24. Generally electrons is 24 amma. Any doubt in this 24 number?
No, sir.
Next, Fe3 plus.
23.
You don't think about Fe3 plus. Fe26. Fe3 plus andre
23.
23.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ 24 electrons are converted into 23. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು electrons loss ಆಗಿದೆ?
3
Nina.
1 electron, sir.
1 electron. Really 24 is
Year 1, sir.
Ah.
From FE it is
How many electrons it lost? 1 electron.
1.
We have tried that electron.
Product side.
Product side.
Now are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So ಇದು 1 ಇದು 23 total 24 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 24 balance ಆಗಿದೆ. Suppose by mistake if you write here you will get 25 electrons ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 23 electrons ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is not a balanced reaction. Are you clear?
Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is also reduction. Oxidation. Please write. Compound. Taking compound example means we required oxidation numbers. I told one more definition is what?
Increasing oxidation number.
Increasing in oxidation number. Oxidation number increasing means we have to say first of all what is the oxidation number and the next ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಓಕೆನಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ right opposite definition gain of electrons or
Decrease in oxidation number.
decreasing in oxidation number. Gain of electrons are decreasing in oxidation number. Is called reduction. Nodi. Well. O is converted into O2 minus. That is, oxygen is converted into oxide. The oxide only the. How many electrons here? 8 and
16.
Atomic number 8 other electrons 8.
10 electrons.
8 electrons are converted. 8 electrons becomes 10 electrons. Means we are added electrons or removed electrons.
Added, sir.
How many? 2.
2.
Where we have tried that 2?
Reactant side, sir.
That's all. Now are you clear? Reactant side. Plus 2 electrons. So adding means please remember always it is present at the reactant side. Loss means always it is present at the product side. Okay? ಇವಾಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 10 electrons ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 10 electrons ಅಲ್ವಾ? Like that. Now, one more example. O minus is converted into O2 minus. O minus has how many? 9 electrons. Sir? This is has 10. You don't 10 only. Yes, sir. Then why you are saying 11? 11 or 10. Okay, na? 9, 10. We are added how many?
1.
One. Right?
Reactants.
Write more example. Yes. Right. Next month, side heading. Just now I told loss of electrons, gain of electrons. You understood. This example gain, this example loss. Then what about increasing in oxidation number, decreasing in oxidation number? So to understand increasing in oxidation number and decreasing in oxidation number, first we have to focus on what is oxidation number, how it is calculated, that we have to discuss. Okay, now please write down side heading oxidation number. Do you have any idea about oxidation number? Definition? What's ICC? Okay. Forgot that. Very simple, ma. First basic to understand electrochemistry unit, oxidation numbers. Then almost all basics will be covered up to this unit. What we discussed first 4 units, this unit. That means you can understand the chemistry easily. Remaining chemistry. Oxidation number means, please listen. Write down definition. The arbitrary charge. Arbitrary spelling number.
ARBITARY.
ORBA, arbitrary, adu orbit. It is AR, arbitrary charge. Not OR, AR. The arbitrary charge present on atom. The arbitrary charge present on atom in a given species. Species means either it is atom or molecule or ion. Arbitrary charge present on atom in a given species, not spices. Spices means masala powders like turmeric powder, chili powder, you know, dhania powder, what? Coriander powder. A spices board has much importance in India. Spices board, it is a big demanded board. One of the important board for crops. Spices board. Okay. The arbitrary charge present on atom in a given species is called arbitrary oxidation number. Okay. So in South India, spices are famous in Kerala.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
To
sir.
pepper, sir.
Everywhere spice plantations are there.
Why? Because gold business is more in Kerala. You know this Malabar gold, Jai Alukas, Jas Alukas.
Yes, sir.
These all are gold brands from Kerala. Why? Because before Independence Day, so that Britishers taking spices from Kerala and they are imported gold from their countries to the India. So that's why gold deposits are somewhat great when compared with the other places in India. It is more in Kerala. You know very well about Ananta Padmanabha Swami temple.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So few rooms are completely locked with 24/7 protection due to huge gold in that rooms. Okay, so spices has much importance. Particularly, that is famous for what used in Pongal, powder.
Pepper, sir.
Ah, pepper.
Pepper.
Pepper is famous in Kerala. Okay. So maintains some good knowledge. Pepper. So that's why some important scientists are from our South India. Sir C.V. Raman, Vishweshwaraya, Srinivasa Ramanujan. These all are from South India only. This is one of the reason I thought. Okay, no one will say actually. I am sharing with you. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. How to calculate this oxidation number? Please remember, this oxidation number we can calculate by using some set of rules. Okay, rules and regulations. To play one game, we have to follow rules and regulations. Here, to identify oxidation number, we have to follow some rules. Okay, shall we discuss that rules?
Yes, sir.
Rule 1. So generally you will forget this rule, commonly you will forget. However, you listened very carefully, but you will say sometimes wrong answer. Okay, no? Compulsory you will say wrong answer. Even next class also you will say wrong answer. And please note this point. Compulsory you will say. Write down, no? The oxidation state of any atom in its uncombined state. Oxidation state of any atom in its uncombined state or elemental form is 0. Oxidation state of any atom in its uncombined state or elemental form is 0. Very, very important rule. Now I will explain few examples. This rule. Okay, what is uncombined state?
Yes, sir.
Okay, uncombined state means suppose you are writing one equation. You are writing one equation. So in that equation, you got only elements like this: Na, Zn, Fe, like that you got. So in that situation, you have to write 0 for that type of elements. Say for example, Zn plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. This reaction. So in this reaction, we have Zn. For Zn, what we have to write oxidation number. So here
Zero.
Zn is not combined with any other elements. So that's why we have to take 0. Not only Zn. Instead of Zn, any other element is there. We have to take it as 0. Are you clear? Uncombined state means no elements
Yes,
are
sir.
attached to that particular element. Is
It is attached to the same.
wait. That is elemental form. Yes. Are you clear? What is uncombined state?
Clear, sir.
Sir.
Na is equal to 0, Zn is equal to 0, Fe is equal to 0, like this. Okay, na? These are uncombined states. What is elemental form? Say for example, if you take oxygen is exist as O2.
O2, sir.
O2. That is called elemental form. Nitrogen is exist as
N2.
N2.
O2 is exist as
O3.
sulfur exists as
S2.
Yes.
S8, S8, sir.
S8.
S8.
Ace 8.
octaatomic molecule, sulfur, crown ring structure. Like this it will be in your lower classes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sulfur atoms. Crown ring structure. Name itself crown ring. Se8. Phosphorus exists as
P5.
5.
P4.
P4.
Okay, tetraatomic. So here it is a diatomic. What are the two elements?
Oxygen.
Eradu oxygen.
Oxygen both.
Both are same type of atoms. Here both are same type of atoms. Here three are same type of atoms. This is called elemental form. Okay na? The molecule it's look like molecule, but that molecule has the same type of atoms that are called elements. Right? So in that situation also we have to take it as 0. Why we have to take it as 0 means, say for example OO, both oxygens are there in O2 molecule. For what is the electronegativity for first oxygen? For second oxygen also we have same electronegativity value. Na? That means
Yes, sir.
no pulling of electron, no losing of electron, no donating of electron. So that's why we have to take it as 0. Means equal forces are present on same atoms. So that's why we will get 0. Artha why 0 we have to take? So this is the reason. H2 0, O3 0, S8 0, P4 0. H2 plus 1 alva? H2. Here H2 I don't know. What is the H2 oxidation state? Just now I got
0, sir. 0, 0.
Definitely you will forget like that. You are thinking H2. H2 is also molecule, na? Elemental atom only. So 0. H2 is also 0. Yeah. Please write these examples under this rule. Are you clear about examples?
Yes,
When
sir.
Yes, sir.
When yes?
Yes, sir.
What? I saw your school when I am going to Andhra. Hindupur, we have to pass through Aligiri. I saw your photo also. In the second line of 4 to 4, I think. Last means 4th photo also. Generally, I will observe all things. Yes, completed, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Next, rule number 2. Write down. For simple ions, oxidation state is equal to its charge. Oxidation state is equals to its charge. What is the meaning of this point? Very simple meaning. Simple ion and complex ion. What is the difference? Now I will say you have to identify which is simple ion and which is complex ion just by seeing. Idರಲ್ಲಿ simple ion.
H plus.
H plus.
CO3 2 minus.
CO3 2 minus.
This is a simple ion definition of simple ion. Very good. So ion which has only single atom
Single atom.
like this, that is called simple ion. Ion which has more than one type of atom, more than one, that is called ions, mixed ions or complex ions. Okay na? Here rule is what? For simple ions charge is equal to oxidation number. Andre ivaga Na plus ಇದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ, this simple or complex? Simple.
Simple, sir.
Charge is equal to plus 1. Fe2 plus ಇದೆ plus 2 na, Cl minus ಇದೆ
-1,
-1,
O2 minus ಇದೆ
-2.
-2,
Minus
like that. Are you clear?
clear, sir.
Write down. For second rule, this is the example. Okay, na? Next.
Yes, sir.
Rule number 3. This is how to remember. Na? Write down. Hydrogen common oxidation state is very good.
+1.
Hydrogen common oxidation state is +1
Plus.
in their compounds. +1 in their compounds. Full stop. Continuation. Right? In their compounds. Full stop. Continuation. But in metal hydrides, hydrogen shows -1 oxidation state. Metal plus hydrogen, metal hydride. Okay na? But in metal hydrides, hydrogen shows -1 oxidation state. Okay na? -1 oxidation state. Okay, you may get a doubt. So many metals we have now, sir. Which is considered as a metal hydride? You may get doubts. Okay na? Metal hydrides andre first group elements, second group elements, third group elements. When they react with the hydrogen, we will get metal hydrides. In these three cases only, we have to take hydrogen -1. Remaining whatever the cases are there, we have to take as usual +1 only. Okay na? Andre ivaga NaH ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ Na first group element, alkali metal. Alkali metals are first group metals, first group elements. So here hydrogen we have to take -1, not +1. Okay na? Next MgH2 is second group element, alkaline earth metal. AlH3, here we will get hydrogen -1. Okay na? In these cases hydrogen -1. Not only in this element, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ first group element ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಲಿ, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, whatever it is bonded with hydrogen, that we have to take -1. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ second group element ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಲಿ, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, we have to take -1. Aluminium, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, whatever it may be, we have to take hydrogen is -1. By seeing examples, you can understand. No need to worry. Rule number 3 na idu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Another rule. The oxidation number of all alkali metals is +1. Oxidation number of all alkali metals is +1. in their compounds. I repeat, the oxidation number of all alkali metals is +1 in their compounds. You may get doubt, alkali metals, how to identify. You have to by heart. Okay, na? Alkali metals, you please write in bracket. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Francium is there, but francium is a radioactive element. So, alkali metals andre idu. Next, the oxidation number of Tumuk Sharma correct appa. The oxidation number of all alkaline earth metals is +2. I repeat, the oxidation number of all alkali metals is +2.
Sir, alkaline earth metals.
Mama,
Sir, you said alkali metals, sir. Alkaline earth metals oxidation +2, no, sir.
I told alkaline earth metals. First one is alkali metals.
Yes,
Second
sir.
one, the oxidation number of alkaline earth metals is +2 in their compounds. Alkaline earth metals is +2 in their compounds. What are the alkaline earth metals?
Sir, magnesium.
Calcium, francium, barium. Radium, magnesium, calcium, francium, barium. Radium is a radioactive element. Okay. So, few more rules we have that we will discuss in next class. Please prepare and come all these rules. Okay, should not
Okay,
forget.
sir.
So compulsory, you have to remember at least a few elements oxidation numbers. Okay, Nam?
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.